Now it's the fucking Irish scamming me. The Irish bar owner. Now he's scamming me. Now it's the fucking Irish. First it's the Indians, now it's the Irish. Alright. We gotta go to Vietnam. First it's the Indians. Then it was the Vietnamese hotels. Now it's the Irish bars scamming. All I went to do was watch Facebook. Now the Irish. Buddy. Where'd you go? And the toilet is clogged. And I thought I lost him. That really scares me. I thought he jumped. I don't like that. No matter how mad I get at you, or how sad you are, or whoever dumps you, or whoever fires you, please, or I don't care how much money you have, please, don't ever jump. Just wait until the next morning. Send me a text, I'll help you out. No matter how mad I am at you, just wait until the next morning, please. Please.